Hello and welcome to Insofy, an all-in-one AI-powered assistant for managing reservations, food orders, menus, and tables effortlessly. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your restaurant account, chat with your AI assistant in order to set up all of the domain restaurant knowledge that you need, and be able to start taking reservations immediately. You can start by logging into your Insofy business account using your email and password, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to land on the main dashboard where you can see all of your active conversations and chats. Next, if you look at the sidebar, we'll navigate to the profile page. Here you can verify and update your restaurant's information, including business hours, address, and other contact details. Please note that accurate hours ensure that our AI assistant only accepts reservations during your restaurant's hours of operation. If you have more complex business hours as well, related to when customers are able to make reservations, Insofy can handle that as well. Just click the plus button to add another availability period for your restaurant. Here we'll add an availability period from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then we can press the copy button to copy it over to all other days. And finally, click Save Profile in the top right to save all changes. Now that your profile is set up, you're ready to chat with our Inso assistant and build your restaurant's table plan to ensure accurate reservation booking. Once your profile is set up, we can go to the Chats tab. Here you'll see a conversation called Inso Assistant. You can click on this conversation to begin chatting with your personal AI and building your very own business assistant. Now you can use natural language to set up your tables directly through chat. When setting up your tables, you'll need to provide each table's minimum and maximum capacity. These are required to add a new table to our system. You can also include optional details like a table name or a table number. If your restaurant uses OpenTable, it's best to match the table number here with your OpenTable table number. This allows our system to sync reservations and automatically map the corresponding tables between Insofy and OpenTable. For example, if we take a look at Mod32's restaurant floor plan in OpenTable, we can see that they have 10 bar tables numbered B1 to B10, and each bar table has a minimum and maximum capacity of 1. If we head back to Insofy, we can type, "Can you add 10 bar tables with a minimum and maximum capacity of 1? Each bar table will be named and numbered B1, B2, B3, all the way up to B10, respectively. The AI will then confirm and automatically add these tables to our system. Once all your tables are added, your Inso Assistant is ready to handle real reservations. Guests can message your AI directly to book tables, and the assistant will assign them to the best available table based on party size and restaurant availability. With Insofy, you don't need to worry about table location or floor plan, just set up your tables and let the AI handle the rest. Next, let's help your Inso Assistant learn your menu. We can take a look at the simple menu, which has 4 categories, various items in each category, and corresponding prices. If we head back to Insofy, you can click on the paperclip icon in the bottom right to upload your menu file. From there, you'll need to provide a menu name and let the AI know to add it to your restaurant setup. So here we can type, "Can you add this menu to my restaurant?" And we'll call it main menu. Once uploaded, your AI assistant will automatically scan the document and add your menu details to the restaurant's domain knowledge, allowing your AI assistant to take customer food orders. Now that you're all set up, let's take a quick look at what the customers will see. From their perspective, it's as easy as creating a chat with your restaurant and messaging your Inso assistant directly. As a customer, I can type something like, "Can I book a table for 3 people tomorrow at 12 p.m.?" The AI will instantly check your table availability based on the table plan and setup from earlier and show that, you know what, we actually can't host a table for 3 people tonight because we've only set up bar tables for 1 person. This shows that the table plan is correct. So what we can actually do is we can ask for a table for 1 person instead, and the AI will find the corresponding table since we've only set up bar tables. The AI will then ask subsequent questions related to the reservation. And once it's booked, you'll receive a notification from your Inso assistant on your Insofy business account, notifying you of the reservation that's been made and its corresponding details. And that's it. You're all set up to let Insofy handle your reservations automatically. Sit back and let your AI assistant do all of the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, serving great food and creating great experiences.